said that. Anyways, y'all, look.
Stop. I told her stop putting me in this motherfucking vlog. That's big. Why they think I curse you out so much on your channel?
You do though.
I'm nice to you, but I keep telling you to take that camera out my face. See? And y'all think
Yo,
I'm
listen. I'm about to prank Karter. I don't know, guys. He walked right into it. I was chilling. I said I'm calm today, but he walked right into it. So get ready to this video. Like, comment, subscribe. Yo, give this video a thumbs up if Shamir always cursing me out. If y'all want to see me prank Karter, watch this video to the end, baby. I'm telling you, his reaction was epic. I love y'all. Holla back. Oh, yeah, the snowstorm hit New York City. I know if you're from New York City, you probably already went outside. If you're not, I got a little bit of the footage in here of me taking my car out of that freaking snow, yo. It was a struggle. So guys, we out here and it's OD. Guys, we out here, it's OD right now. I'm clearly shoveling out my car, trying to shovel out my car. This is the streets of New York. Ridiculous, yo. The snow is crazy. I started shoveling. A lot of people out here shoveling. So yeah, I'm gonna try to see if I can take you out along with me a little bit. Yeah, I'm super tight right now. I came outside to try to go get something and I went to the wrong place. And now I'm tight because my fucking feet are frozen. My feet are frozen. And yeah, I walked all the way inside of snow to go to this place. And it was the wrong place the whole time, so now I'm tight. Yo, listen, guys. So it's cold. Don't worry, I didn't forget my seatbelt. I'm at a drive-thru, so I took it off. Do y'all think we're gonna have a snowy Christmas or not? Honestly, the last time I saw it like really snow on some like a whole lot of snow on Christmas was like when I was like 15, I think. Honestly, guys, I just did a running around like crazy, and I'm in a state right now. Finally, guys, Kyro some boots. Honestly, for you, baby boy, I'll do anything. For any of the kids, I'll do anything. But thank you. My freaking feet, thank you. My freaking feet, boy, are killing me. For these Timbs, I did the most. But honestly, guys, he needed some Timbs. And let me see. Yeah, he needed some Timbs. I was about to get in the shower.
Oh shit!
Huh? You scared? Go see if she's alright. Oh my gosh, see if she's okay, Karter. You scared? Come check on Kyesha. Huh? Something wrong with Kyesha. Come here. Come see. Ah. Ah.
Really, nigga?
You was scared? Guys. You know what I'm saying? I had to do it. I had to do it, man. It was destined to be. I did not plan that prank at all. It was the spirit of the moment in real time. Like, I just happened to want to see what Karter gonna do if I fell out. And I was like, yo, honestly, his reaction was epic, so let me bring it to YouTube. But guys, Karter's hilarious. Go follow Karter, his Karter Duty on Instagram. Go follow Jazzy, Jazzy_Jazzy_ if you haven't already done so. And also go follow me at Kyro's mom. Go follow my son Kyro at Kyro Prince. And go follow the FMAK squad. Subscribe to their channel as well. We lit. Holla back. And please don't forget to click that notification bell. I want to see y'all clicking that notification bell. Give this video a like, a thumbs up. And also comment in the comments down below if I'm trying to do my thing before Vlogmas is over. Because I know y'all hear me. Y'all told me to prank my family member. I did that. Y'all told me to get some more pranks going on. I did that. Y'all told me to video me cutting hair. I did that. Like, I'm listening to y'all, baby. You know what I'm saying? Let's hit it. Alright, so first of all, before I even start talking, guys, let me show y'all. Because now I'm starting to feel like I come to work in my work uniform. Y'all always see me with this jacket on. So let me do this. Let me do this for y'all. Y'all always see me come in that coat. I'm tired of coming in the coat. You know what I'm saying? I can't. The only thing that's not done right now is my hair, because I always come to work with that coat on. And now I'm telling y'all that today, family, I'm talking to y'all without the coat. Shout out to my today, family.
I don't know. I guess this is for my vlog because she got to call y'all K-Gang. Because clearly she knows I call y'all family. Tell her, stay on her channel with her shenanigans. And they all know.
But this is the K squad. I had to use Shamir mascara because I couldn't find mine, and she has a bunch of makeup in it. So now this is what I had to do. Life hack. I had to put, you know what I'm saying, for now. Now we Gucci. But right now we in JCPenney's, guys. I had to go to JCPenney's real quick to get my watch fitted. And Shamir's over there being a bird. Shamir, say hi. She over there being a bird. Other than that, we about to go pick up Kyro. And that is that, guys. How should I get my hair too? Comment in the comment section below. How should I get my hair done, y'all? How should I get my hair done? Now, yep.